Hey y'all, hey, my name is Andrea, and today on my channel, Bellamore, we're getting into the straight clip-ins, y'all. So we're gonna take this curly ponytail and turn it into a kinky straight, add some curls, protective style for our natural hair. So stay tuned, boo. Here we go again!
Here we go again. Listen, y'all.
Because I wear protective style don't mean we don't have hair. We're in the business of growing and flourishing your natural hair. So I'm gonna take that down and I'm gonna put it into a style that is going to definitely allow these clip-ins to do their thing, look the most natural, and you do not have to straighten your hair. My hair is just stretched out from being in a bun. See, she's healthy, she's flourishing. I'm gonna take out just a little bit in the front. That's really it, y'all. Like, we're not trying to disguise the world, okay? Point blank period. We're not trying to disguise the world. We're just gonna take that little bit straight across. Beautiful. And then I'm going to twist it down like such. You can even take it up into the ear. See that? The ear. Twist it down as such, just to get it out of the way. It'll come back shortly. But you see how it's just naturally stretched. There's no heat. We're not applying heat. So I'm going to take a very thin section here. Go gently now, gently. Gently separate that. Nice. The parts don't have to be perfect, but we're gonna try to get it as nice as we can. It's long, so I just gotta make sure not to curl my real hair into this. Because it is long, I didn't even think about that. So you have this section, separate your hair into two. Let's put this side up right now. We're not dealing with her. And then what I would like to do in order to have a nice base for my clip-ins is I like to strand twist it down. And like I told you, we're in the business of growing hair. So that hair is down to there and we really do care. So make sure you subscribe. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Okay. So you just leave that for right now. And then let's do the other side. You don't need all the hair in the world. You just need enough to cover a track. And there's also ways where you don't need, you can use even less than that if you love hair jewelry. So there's always a way.
Check it.
Boom. 2 strand twists. Cute. What you want to do is you want to take each end and bobby pin it up. There we go. Bobby pin number 1 and bobby pin number 2. Boom. I like to crisscross it because it might be a little heavy for one bobby pin. Because you know our hair is thick and beautiful and growing, so let it get way down by the bobby pin. Let it get secure. Nice, nice. Okay, and one in the back. Just through them both, just to keep it down. There you go, there you go. That's the pieces that you're leaving out. To tell y'all, I don't know the brand off the top of my head, but I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add it here, all the information, because it's been a while since I had them, but I've preserved them really well. The last time I wore them was on my wedding. I wore them on my wedding. She used it to add curls to my hair, and it was gorgeous. They took curling really well. So they come in different sizes. I think I'm gonna start with this piece. I believe this is a 5-inch piece. Has 4 clips right here. And we're gonna start at the base. There we go. Look at that. So this is our 7 again. I'm gonna place that directly above it. Especially if you can get to the back of that head really nicely. Look at that. It's really secure. Okay. I'm gonna take that 9-inch piece and put it along the length of my head. Look at that. I'm gonna take another 9-inch piece. And we're gonna do it, but try to section it to bring it more towards the left side, okay? So that it ends right here at that part. You see that? And the other part ends a little bit over here, okay? You know we're missing this, but not for long, okay? Secure it all in. Boom, okay. It's looking good, like it should. Take another 5, and this is where we finish that off. We meet that other section, overlapping it slightly at the top. See this piece? It's gonna go slightly above that. It's gonna be like that. Beautiful. Start making your way to the front. Boom. Boom. Get that one in. Perfect. Cute, cute, cute. Take this piece, 5 inches. We're gonna do the same thing. Start moving our way to the front. Beautiful. And ending right there. I'm gonna take that last long piece. I'm gonna do it straight in the middle, like such. Beautiful, beautiful. Making a U-like shape with the clip ins. Make sure that's open. Beautiful, snug though. We're doing snugged U's. Right under where that piece is supposed to go. And now for the little 3s. This is where you fill in the blanks. For me, this is my fill in the blanks. Boom. I'm gonna place that right here. And we literally still have 2 left. So, sometimes when I have extra left, I like to see the perimeter, and I like to see where can I also finish filling in the blanks. Open up that 3, so the track is all facing one way. I do it facing the back. Get some ground, 1 here. One there. And look at that. And then for our last, oh, this is a 1 piece. We're gonna use it. Let's see on this other side. Is there anywhere where we can place? There is. Boom. So now, I'm gonna roll back, and you see, you have the clip on your protective hair. Your hair is protected through. It's looking good. Okay, so now that we have all that, what I like to do is, I still don't want to take my leave out yet, because if we're going to curl our hair and brush it, I don't want our actual hair to get heat on it. I haven't put heat on my hair since my wedding. That was the first time I've ever put heat on my hair since going natural 10 years ago. Nice. So, I'm going to brush it out. Those clips are strong, y'all. The hair is not going anywhere. Trust. Section it off. And start making your curls. Put that heat protectant on. Because you still don't want the hair to be crispity, crunchy, you know what I'm saying? Just take a smaller piece. Oh! That's what I be scared of with my real hair. No way, bro. That's so cute. I love that. Here we go again. Here we go again, y'all. Wow. Let's do the whole head. I'm gonna come back. Right now, it just says that it's on medium. So do medium, do your heat protectant. Have it placed, get your real hair out of the way. Don't let it block your blessing. And we'll get back with the finished results. Stay tuned. But before we get to the final results, please don't forget to subscribe. I would really love to see you again. Come on now, it's free. Click that subscribe button because don't you want to see me again? We have all the natural hair tips and tricks and protective styles. See you again, boo. One side already done, taking the curls really well. Look at that. I'm gonna fly over to the other side and come back with the finished product. From this to this. And now, the final piece. This one. Release. Look at it. We're done. We're done. So what I really love about these clip-ins is that it's still kinky at the roots. So we still have our leave out that we're not applying heat to. It's stretched out. And now we're just simply going to untwist it. Beautiful. Untwist it along the perimeter. Beautiful. Gently, gently, darling. What we're gonna do is, A, make sure that it is covering all of the tracks. See that? No tracks. No tracks. I'll take those same bobby pins. I'm gonna take 4, put them to the side. We're gonna take that leave out. As it is covering up everything it should, we're gonna do a twist through towards the back here. Twisting that underneath. Those curls, just maneuvering it underneath them. Boom. Right by that ear. You remember why we did the ear. We're gonna place one way. A stick. So we're gonna crisscross it with the second one to keep it in place. Boom. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Told you, those roots on the clip-ins are kinky, so it matches. Make sure that track is covered. I'm gonna twist, twist, twist your real hair. We're gonna take the one by the ear, going up. It's held, but we wanna be secured. We're gonna take the other one and crisscross it. Nice. And there we go. That's really cute. Your natural hair is protected. You have put no heat on your hair. You are looking cute. Your hair is straight-ish with the curls. You can have it straight with these clip-ins if you want to. Just brush it out a little bit more. And look, it matches. Everything matches. I'm living for it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you try it. Let me know what other hairstyles that you think you can do with these clip-ins and how much versatility it has given you. But remember, you got this. I got you. And we gonna always do this, y'all. Till next time, bye.